Hey everybody, it's your girl Mia, and as always, welcome back to my kitchen. I am so excited to be coming to you guys today with a new video. Only this time we're not cooking anything, not just yet. Today is an unboxing video for something that I have been wanting for a really long time. I finally got my hands on one. Today we're going to be unboxing the NuWave Brio 6-quart air fryer. Let go. Ain't it pretty, y'all? Once again, this is the NuWave Brio 6-quart air fryer. This air fryer actually comes in a couple of sizes. It comes in the, I believe it's a 3-quart. It comes in the 6-quart, which is what I have here. And it also comes in a 10-quart. Now, I got a bunch of folks to feed, so the 3-quart was too small. And I didn't want to get the 10-quart because I don't have a whole lot of counter space because mama loves her kitchen gadgets. So there's a lot of counter real estate that's already taken up. But anywho, so I got mine from Target, or Target for you bougie folks. And I actually lucked out on this because this air fryer retails, the 6-quart model retails for $150. And I actually caught it on sale, so I got mine for $99. I'm sorry if y'all can see me holding the knife. This is my trusty box cutter, and that's how we're gonna get into this today. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and break the seal on this count. Everybody doing okay? How y'all doing? I know I haven't done a video in a little while, and I'm so sorry, y'all, but between work and family and just life in general, it's been kind of busy for you girls, so trying to get back into the swing of things. I want to say this is my first video of 2019. Well, at least it's still January, y'all, so I ain't doing too bad, right? All right, so I popped the seal on this here. Now, when I went to my local Target, like I said, they had this on sale for $99.99, and I had to jump on that. The problem is that they had sold out of all of them, the ones they had in the store. So I literally stood in the store, pulled out my phone, and ordered it off the Target website because I didn't want to miss out on this awesome price. Okay, so with the help of my trusty box cutter, we got the box open here. This is a big old box, y'all. I hope y'all can see me. Let me adjust just a little bit. I'm not gonna be too anal about the camera since I'm not cooking today, but I still want y'all to get into this and see what I'm doing, okay? So when you open the box, the first thing you see obviously is the air fryer, and I'm gonna get all this packing stuff out of here and then we gonna continue. Okay. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I went ahead and got the air fryer out of the box, and I've actually carved out a lovely spot for it on my kitchen counter. There was an appliance that got voted off the island. This is prime real estate over here because I have a really big outlet over here with a bunch of different plug-in options. So the stuff I use the most gets put in this corner over here next to the Keurig. But anywho, so it is definitely bigger than I expected. They did not have a display of the 6-quart model set up in the store, so this is honestly my first time laying my eyes on it in person. It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be, but I'm not even mad about it. It's definitely giving my Keurig 2.0 a run for its money as far as size and thickness, but it is definitely a sight to be seen. Now, I got it in black. It does come in red, and it also comes in blue. Now, if you all have been with me for a little minute, you'll know that most of my kitchen appliances are red. You know, the red apples, I got the red KitchenAid. So I do like to go with a red theme. However, they didn't have that as an option when I ordered it online. So I got the black, which is fine. It still coordinates with the kitchen decor. Now, we're going to move this down just a little bit here. And as you can see, it has a little bit of tape here. So we're going to go ahead and get that off. It is so pretty, y'all. It's got like a glossy black, really pretty, and like I said, it fits in with the kitchen decor just fine. But if this isn't your cup of tea, they do have red and blue as an option. All right, so inside of the box, along with the air fryer, looks like we also got the NuWave Brio Healthy Digital 6-quart Air Fryer Owner's Manual. So you will get an owner's manual with it that's going to show you how to program and set the right temperatures and all that stuff. And it also comes with some recipes. So y'all know we like recipes, and I will definitely be showcasing some air fryer recipes on my channel. So if you own an air fryer and you're looking for some more dishes to cook in it, your girl got you. I'm gonna be doing that, so I'm gonna get on it. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, okay, I wasn't sure what this was at first. It looked a little weird to me. You see that? Now, I'm not quite sure, I'm not for certain, guys, but I want to say that this is a divider for the basket. Let's go ahead and get this open. Let's see if I can even open this. So the handle does, so it doesn't look like you can just pull it, which is good. That's safe. So there's a little thingy here on the handle where you can slide in. All right. Okay, I think, Lord Jesus, did I break it already? Nah, we good, we good. Okay, so I think you're supposed to be able to just pull this out on its own, and then you slide that forward. Yeah, you slide that forward and that lifts out the basket. So we got the 6-quart basket here, which is a nice size capacity, let me just say that. And then you've got the tray here that slides out, and of course oils collect at the bottom, anything that's accumulated from the food. And you can also slide the basket back in there. So that's cool. So you're able to lift the basket out to get your food out with the slide of, let's see if I can show you how to just slide that forward, and that will lift the basket out. Now I'm gonna put this back in here real quick. Okay, that snaps shut. So I'm wondering, am I able to just pull this out? Oh, okay. Okay, so I was just a weakling, apparently, that first pull. That's okay. We gonna get it together. Y'all seeing this just as I'm seeing this, so y'all know it's real. Okay, so if you look up top here, I'm gonna bring it forward. And we're gonna look up top there. As you can see, at the top, we have a nice big digital display here. Looks like we have some temperature templates to go by depending on what you're cooking. Looks like fresh fries, frozen fries, nuggets, steak, poultry, and fish. It has temperatures up here and also cooking times as well. I know, let's see, this is the timer over here. You can adjust your times that way. Temperature right here. Looks like you have a menu if you want to reach any of these preset functions. We have a preheat feature. That's going to be very useful. Start, pause, on and off. Reheat feature, you know, if you want to heat up some leftovers. And wattage. This is something I thought was really cool. When you plug it in, you actually, before you cook your food, you can actually choose the wattage that you want to cook at. Now, from what I saw on some other YouTubers' videos, the default is the 1800 watts, but you can adjust that just by hitting this button here. Okay, so we're gonna bring that back. Alrighty, guys, so far my first impressions of this air fryer, I do like how it looks. Now, I have seen some other YouTubers cook in their NuWave air fryer. Food looks really good, but you know, I'm not tasting it, so I don't know for sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to film a video for you guys, and you guys are gonna see me cook my first dish in the NuWave air fryer, and we're gonna see if it's good enough for mama and her clan. All right, so again, this is the NuWave Brio 6-quart air fryer. I like how it looks, y'all. What are y'all thinking? And if anybody owns an air fryer, feel free to drop down there somewhere some of your favorite dishes and things that you like to cook with. You know, I love hearing from you guys. You guys are the best. I have some of the best followers and subscribers. Like, I love y'all so much. And to all the newbies that have joined Mama's Clan, welcome. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos thus far. And all my A1 since day ones, y'all know I love y'all. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. As always, don't forget to thumbs up. All you newbies, go ahead and subscribe to your girl, show some love, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye bye.